Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show how to find the value of a plus b plus c is equal to what, where ab plus ac is equal to 300, bc plus ab is equal to 400, ac plus bc is equal to 500. Okay, ab plus ac is equal to 300, it is called equation 1. bc plus ab is equal to 400, it is called equation 2. And ac plus bc is equal to 500, it is called equation 3. Okay, now adding equation 1 and equation 2, we can write here equation 1, that means AB plus AC, plus equation 2, that means BC plus AB is equal to 300 plus 400. Okay, or AB plus AB is twice AB plus AC plus BC. Here AC plus BC is equal to 500 from equation 3. So we can write here 500 is equal to 3 plus 4 is 7 with double zeros. That means 700. Or twice AB is equal to 700. Taking this 500 to right side, we will get negative 500. Or twice AB is equal to 700 minus 500, that means 200. Now divided both sides by 2, we will get the value of AB is equal to 100. And it is called equation 4. Now again adding equation 1 and equation 3. Adding equation 1 and equation 3, we can write here AB plus AC, AB plus AC plus AC plus BC is equal to 300 plus 500. Okay, or here AC plus AC is twice AC plus AB plus BC. Okay, AB plus BC is equal to 400. So we can write here 400 is equal to 3 plus 5 is 8. So here we will get 800. Or twice AC is equal to 800. Now taking this 400 to right side, we will get negative 400. Or twice AC is equal to 800 minus 400 is 400. Now divided both sides by 2, we will get the value of AC is equal to 200, and it is called equation 5. Now adding equation 2 plus 3, we can write here 2 plus 3, 2, that means BC plus AB, BC plus AB plus 3 is AC plus BC. AC plus BC is equal to 400 plus 500. Or BC plus BC is twice BC plus AB plus AC. AB plus AC is equal to 300 from equation 1. So we can write here 300 is equal to 4 plus 5 is 9. So we will get 900. Or twice BC is equal to 900. Taking this 300 to right side, we will get negative 300. Or twice BC is equal to 900 minus 300 is 600. Now divided both sides by 2, we will get BC is equal to 300, and it is called equation 6. So we are find out AB is equal to 100, AC is equal to 200, and BC is equal to 300. AB is equal to 100, it's equation 4. AC is equal to 200, it's equation 5. And BC is equal to 300, it's called equation 6. Okay. Now multiplying equation 4 and 5 and divided by 6, multiplying 4, 5 and divided by 6, 4 times 5 divided by 6, we can write here AB times AC over BC is equal to 100 times 200 over 300. Okay, or here B cancel out B and C cancel out C, so here we will get A times A is equal to this cancel out this, this cancel out this, 200 over 3. So we are find out A square is equal to 200 over 3 and it is called equation 7. Okay, now multiplying 4 and 6 and divided by 5, 4 times 6 divided by 5, we can write here AB times BC over AC, AB times BC over AC is equal to 100 times 300 over 200, 100 times 300 over 200, or here C cancel out C, A cancel out A, so we will find out B times B is equal to 3 times 5 is 15 with 1 0, so we are find out B square is equal to 150 and it is called equation 8. Similarly, now multiplying equation 5 and 6 divided by 4, we can write here AC times BC over AB is equal to 200 times 300 over 100. So we are find out C square is equal to 3 times 2 is 600 and it is called equation 9. Okay, now we know an algebraic equation A plus B plus C whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 times AB plus BC plus CA. This is an algebraic equation, or A plus B plus C whole square is equal to, now we can write here A square, that means 200 over 3, 200 over 3 plus B square is equal to 150 plus C square is 600 plus 2 times AB is equal to 100, AC is equal to 200 and BC is equal to 300, so we can write here 100 plus 200 plus 300. Okay, or A plus B plus C whole square is equal to 200 over 3 plus 150 and 600 is 750 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 6 times 2 is 12, so we are find out 1200. Or A plus B plus C whole square is equal to, here LCM is 3, so we will find out 200 plus 3 times 750, we will get 2250 plus 12 times 3 is 36 with 00, or A plus B plus C whole square is equal to, now adding this three number we will get 6050 over 3, or a plus b plus c is equal to plus or minus square root of 6050 over 3. Now factorizing 6050, we can write here a plus b plus c is equal to plus or minus square root of 2 times 5 square times 11 square over 3. So at last we will find out a plus b plus c is equal to plus or minus 50 square root of 2 over square root of 3, and it is our final answer. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.